Hi everyone, Saurabh here from EnglishWise. I have a very special video today. So in this video we'll be talking about smart work, we'll be talking about topics to focus on, how to do that and how to get maximum out of your PTE practice. So let's start with the problem that everyone is facing these days. The main problem that everyone is facing with PTE is that in total we have 21 question types in PTE. So 21 question type in PTE, roughly 3 to 4, and there are more than 100 questions that appear in those 2.5 hours of your PTE exam. How to prepare for all those 100 questions, or to be very specific, how to prepare for those 21 question types. That's the challenging part for every student. And if you start preparing for each and every question type, and if you give equal amount of time to prepare for each and every question type, you are meant to lose your score in PTE exam. You're meant to get low score in your PTE exam. That's not how your practice should be. Your practice should be mainly focused on the important part of PTE exam. So let's divide this 21 questions into sections like very important, less important and least important, or else basically high priority, medium priority and low priority. That would be an easier division for you to work on. So let's first focus on the high priority task of PTE. Out of these 21 questions, there are 6 question types which can be categorized as high priority. I'll just list down these 6 question types. 4 from this 6 is from your speaking itself. That is your first section, read aloud, repeat sentence, describe image and your retell lecture. Retell may be in the second category, but let's assume it's in this category. Second comes into your reading, that is your reading and writing blanks. And the last question type that is in high priority is your write from dictation. So very simple, 6 question types. Okay, 4 from your speaking, that proves that how important speaking is for your exam. 1 is your reading and writing blanks and 1 is your listening right from dictation. Let's say if I'm a student and if I have given 100% correct answer of these 6 question types in my exam, my overall score in exam will be 65 plus in each module. Yes guys, 65 plus in each module by just attempting 6 question types perfectly. That's how PTE is. That's how it works. That's how you have to be sure with each and every question type. Now coming to the medium priority question types. Your medium priority question types are your writing summary. I'm just going by the order. Your writing summary, your reading blanks, that is drag and drop blanks. Drop down blanks is a high priority task. Drag and drop blanks. Your listening summaries, your listening blanks and your listening highlight incorrect word. The last 2 not being too much of a priority. Now here is the trickiest part. Every question that I have mentioned so far still worth some points. Each and every question that I have not mentioned till now, I'll just name them. Each and every question that I have not mentioned till now were answer short question in your speaking, multiple choice question, single answer, multiple answer in your reading, reorder paragraphs, and your all the sections for listening, which are multiple choice, highlight incorrect highlight correct summary, your select missing word. All those sections have a combined weightage of just 10 to 15 points of your PT. So those are the sections which can be completely ignored if you're aiming for 65. Even if you're aiming for 79, I think for practice they can be ignored. You can just make sure when you go for an exam you can attempt it well. And I have seen students over here who have even just guessed the answer for the remaining part, still able to manage their desired score. So this is why I was saying planning a strategy, making sure what is important and what to practice on is very important. So how will you practice out, or how will you prioritize your practice will go in this way. Let's say I have 100 minutes to practice. Okay, I'm just giving you an example. Let's say I have 100 minutes to practice. 70 minutes from that 100 should be focused on the high priority task. 20 to 25 minutes should be focused on medium priority task, and low priority should be 5 minutes. If you practice like that, trust me, even with less efforts, even with less practice, you can score high points in your PTE exam. Just make sure if you have just started practicing PT, you focus like this, or if you are practicing PT and not reaching anywhere, try this practice until your next exam. I'm damn sure you will be able to get to your desired score. This is all I had to say for this video. Just one more thing I would like to add on is, with practice, especially with your speaking section, proper feedback is very much necessary, otherwise you will be repeating the same mistakes and you won't even realize that. So practice is not the only thing, you need a proper feedback as well. But if you're self practicing, or if you're struggling with the practice plan, go with the priority task already mentioned and you will be able to smash your PT in the very next go. That's it for the video guys today. Make sure you subscribe so that you can get notified about the new strategies and tricks that we keep on post every week. Hope you like the video. Just make sure you comment and we'll get back to you. Thank you.